Now let us see how to solve questions on the synonyms. You will be usually given the word for which 5 options are given. You will have to choose the correct synonym of the word which has the same or almost same as the word given. The first word is aromatic. Aromatic is something which is associated with a good smell. Here one of the options for this is stinking, which is associated with a bad smell. The word is positive, but this option is negative. It has something to do with the smell, good smell. Therefore option A, affectionate, is irrelevant. Option B, stinking, is wrong. Option C, fragrant, which is also associated with good smell. So that should be the correct option. The correct synonym of the word aromatic, therefore, is fragrant. Now the second question, buoyant. B-U-O-Y, boy, means something that floats. Something is light. Something which is very light. Therefore, you look at the options for this. He is in a buoyant mood. He is in a, if you look at the options, you go to option E, light-hearted, happy, not tensed up. He is in a buoyant mood ever since he has succeeded in passing the examination. Light-hearted is the correct option for the synonym of the word buoyant. Now third one, concert. Concert, usually musical concert. A performance, usually a musical performance, which is a popular word, and therefore the correct synonym of the word concert is musical performance. The fourth question has the word devoid. Your proposal is devoid of any new ideas. If somebody tells you, that means it is without any new ideas. Now, devoid refers to the absence of something. Now, look at the options: stupid, hopeless, developed, and option D, lacking. Lacking again shows that something is missing. Therefore, the correct synonym of devoid is lacking. Then we come to question 4, where the correct synonym of devoid is lacking. We move on to question 5. The given word is latent. Latent. There are many talents latent in the child. The teacher has to draw out those talents. The teacher, in fact, does not put anything into the mind or the brain of the child. He tries to bring everything that is latent in it. So, in that sense, your correct answer is, the correct option of the synonym is option B, concealed. Latent talents. The talents are concealed. They are hidden in the person. Sixth question, wearisome. Something which makes you feel tired. Wearisome. Now, in this question, the options C, tiresome, wearisome, therefore refers to tiresome, which is the correct synonym of the word wearisome. The seventh word is reiterate. Reiterate. The minister reiterated his concern for the safety of the fishermen. If the news spreads that fishermen are being imprisoned there in a neighboring country, so people are worried about the safety of our fishermen who sometimes inadvertently cross the international boundaries in water. So reiterate, the minister reiterated his, that means the minister repeated. Reiterate, therefore, means repeat. The eighth question, incessant. he could not go out due to incessant rains throughout the day. The rains did not stop. They did not stop and then start. They were continuous. The rain was pouring. It was pouring cats and dogs, as we say, continuously. Therefore, the correct synonym of incessant is continuous. The ninth question is nascent. The project is in a nascent stage. The proposal is in the nascent stage. It has not come to its final position. Something which has just started. So nascent means the beginning. Something in the beginning stage. Which of these options resembles that meaning? You see, look at the option E, initial. Therefore, nascent, the synonym of the word nascent is initial. That takes us to the 10th question, expertise. Expertise of a person, expertise of a politician, expertise of a pilot. The expertise of the pilot saved the passengers on board. Expertise, therefore, refer to some special technique, some special skill. So, look at the options. The correct option for the synonym of expertise, therefore, is skill. The 11th question, you have the word revamp. Something which has been destroyed, something which has been broken, you try to rebuild and try to bring it to the original shape. That is called revamping. After a party is routed in an election, attempts are made to revamp the party by changing the office bearers, the president, the secretary, to bring in the right persons for the right job. That is what we call revamp. Now, the correct option, therefore, for revamp is reconstruct. That is for question 11. In 12th, when the word is feign, when the teacher asked, inquired the students of the class as to the person who has done the mischief, the students tried to feign ignorance. Feign ignorance, as if they did not know what happened. They pretended as if they did not know what had happened. Feigned, they posed as if they were ignorant. Now, feign, therefore, the correct option is option C, pretend, act as if they were ignorant. Now, 13th question, attest. Attest, you attest to the character of a person, the positive quality of a person. You attest a certificate. That means you prove that it is true. Therefore, the correct option is corroborate. Corroborate means you prove that something is genuine. The synonym for attest is therefore corroborate.